Will Bitcoin break 100K today, and will we see a dump or not? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. As you can see, I am back again here in the beautiful Phuket in Thailand, guys. Yes, in today's video, a lot of excitement. My eyes are still a little bit small. I flew yesterday, I'm still tired, but I have amazing news items, 3 of them. I have amazing charts, 3 of them. I have an amazing inspirational quote that's based on what I experienced in the last couple of days in the Netherlands. So a nice complete video packed with cool information. Watch it till the end, but start with giving it a thumbs up now. Yes, it looks cloudy, but after the clouds the sun will shine. And will we touch 100K? Let's look at the charts, but first at the news. Bam! I think the most important news spoken of yesterday is Gensler is gone. Yeah, that's how they say it in the carnival. Gensler is gone. Yes, Gary Gensler is gone. I think when Trump becomes president, he just said, or he resigned already, he said like, okay, I'm gonna stop my job because, you know, I don't like cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, and Trump does like Bitcoin. Trump does like to help the United States. Gary doesn't want to help the United States. At least he just wants to fill the pockets of the rich people and himself, but not of the normal common man in the United States. So Gary Gensler is gone. We will never see him back again. Hopefully never see him back again. And the new person, I don't know her name or his name, but will be a pro-Bitcoin person. Believe me, guys. So that's the first news. The second news is, guys, that the ETFs, the spot ETFs in total reached 104 billion US dollar net in assets, guys. 104 billion US dollar net in assets for Bitcoin. This is like insane. To be clear, gold, for example, is at 120 billion. We are not that far away from gold anymore. Bitcoin is going to surpass the gold spot ETF in the first 12 months of its existence. The gold spot ETF is already there for like 40 years, 50 years. I don't even know. I wasn't born yet, probably before that. Peter Shit knows probably when the gold spot ETF started. Peter Shit also knows what gold did when the gold spot ETF started. And Peter Shit should know what will happen now to Bitcoin when the Bitcoin spot ETF started. And now see that acceleration of surpassing the gold spot ETF already within the first 12 months of its existence. This is massive. Net flow of $104 billion worth of assets in the Bitcoin spot ETFs, guys. What more do we want? It is very positive news all over the place, guys. If we look at the numbers, the spot ETFs are now 97% in surpassing Satoshi's wallet. That still has been untouched. You know that wallet from 800,000 to 1 million Bitcoins, at Satoshi's wallet? Yeah, the spot ETFs are now almost becoming bigger than that amount. And we are now at 82% or something are surpassing the gold spot ETF. Bitcoin is the king. Please say it. Repeat after me. Just do this mantra every morning and you will wake up and be happy. A Bitcoin is the king. And is it also the king on the charts? We're going to look into that now, because we're going to jump into charts, because Bitcoin just touched 99,400 US dollar. I have 99 problems, but Bitcoin isn't one. But we are going to go and look into the charts, what is happening to Bitcoin today. Now, bam. And of course, guys, before I jump into the charts, there's one more news item, a very important that I must not forget today. Didi BAM. That's the token name. The contract is also now known. The token is live and trading on Uniswap. We just surpassed the 16 cents. We came back to around 15, 14 cents. I think we are at 13 cents now per Didi BAM token. All the VIPs, you will get informed when you will start receiving the tokens. You will be able to trade them, of course, on Uniswap. All the other people that are supporting the project this big in the first 24 hours, thank you very much. We surpassed a market cap of more than 3 million US dollar. We have a shitload of Didi Bam Bam hodlers. The community is growing, the Telegram is growing, more VIPs. Everything is growing at the moment, and that's all because everyone understands exactly what we are building there with DidiBamBam.me. If you want to be educated in a playful but in a very well informed way, go to didibambam.me if you want to know more about Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, but with baby steps, starting with the beginning. We will even start to publish children's books so you can read those books to your children about Bitcoin and educate them at a very young age. It will take you through the educational path of a baby to a teenager to an adult so that you completely understand what Bitcoin is, what crypto is, what NFTs are, what meme coins are, what trading is, if you could be a trader, yes or no, everything else. And we will expand more and more into the digital nomad lifestyle, or how to yes or no pay taxes all over the world. All of this will be packed in this course. At the moment, already 180 models of pure gateway to freedom trainings that will help you to understand how you can set yourself free from that economical disaster that we call fiat currencies, that was created by the central banks and the governments to just keep you poor. This is why we call our platform the Gateway to Freedom. Go and join us. Also start supporting us by buying a little bit of Didi Bam Bam tokens, guys. In the next couple of weeks, we will announce all the utilities of the Didi Bam Bam token, because there will be a shitload of possibilities. Of course, staking and all the standard stuff, but there will even be some other cool stuff that you will be able to do if you are a Didi Bam Bam hodler, guys. So you need to hodl some tokens to become part of some really cool stuff that we are gonna produce for you guys. Now, that was everything. Just go to didibambam.me or just go to the Telegram group and start to buy some Didi Bam. And that's why I end my videos always with BAM. And yeah, now again we go into the charts. BAM! Now let's jump into the charts and show you exactly what I see on the charts, what is happening to Bitcoin, when will we touch 100K for the first time ever in history for Bitcoin. BAM! Yes, that is how we read the charts. Didi Bam Bam, Bitcoin mark. Beautiful, guys. Let's jump into the charts. Let's see what is happening. The first chart is a 1 hour chart, as I can see now. Why a 1 hour chart? Because I want to capture the moment that we reach 100K on the charts. Probably will not happen during this live. It will take another couple of hours probably before that we really touch that 100K level. But look how close we are, guys. We just had a high of 99,428 US dollar per Bitcoin. That's like almost 100. Hey, it is 100K. What are we talking about? We're talking about like $600, like $575 difference, and we would have reached 100K. That's very close for me, guys. Should you be worrying? Should you be taking profits? We're going to talk about this now in the chart part. I do believe that 100K is a level that a lot of people want to take profits, but I'm going to show you this more on other charts. The Bitcoin family indicator setup again had an amazing call, guys. I can't be more excited about this. Look, this first buy signal over there was already an amazing one, because we were like in yellow when we went into green, and the green line was on top and the blue line was on top. Beautiful buy signal, another beautiful buy signal. Even the sell signals are every time correct, guys. We had a buy and a sell. That's because now we are nearing the 100K, which is like a really exciting area. Of course, like we haven't been there yet, so what is going to happen if we are going to find resistance? Yes, we could of course bam crash all the way back to these levels of 49,500, the level that we are there. You see, we could crash to that, but if we break it, then sky is the limit. We could easily go like, definitely go blah, 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 like to 110K, etc., guys. Amazing times ahead. Now, if we zoom out and we look at the day chart, also on the day chart, we can see at the moment, look at Bollinger Band, the top is at 102,900. We have been touching this Bollinger Band during this whole bullish move. I believe we will touch this Bollinger Band one more time during this bullish move. This is a day chart, guys, so this candle is going to close in a lot of hours, like 20 hours, I think, or something. I think we could easily touch that Bollinger Band top over there, and also easily, guys, easily touch it, go a little bit higher, but also easily pull back to that red line, that midline. That's not too difficult for Bitcoin. And that's a day chart. It's not going to happen in one day. So my line is not like really correctly drawn, but I could see it hit 100K today, and then could see it tumbling down the next couple of days all the way till December, somewhere to that midline that has been coming up like this. And that would be then a level here around 89,000 US dollar, maybe even wick down below it here to 85K. Could also happen, come back, maybe retest that line, maybe even go a little bit low. This is all possible. I'm not trying to freak you out, I'm just saying what is possible. And then again, we could start building up and break that line again and go up, and maybe even then take it higher just before Christmas, 21st of December, 112K. This line will of course be continuing to do something like that. That Bollinger Band will of course also do something like that. You know, this is how Bitcoin could be moving. But could we break this line and go like this as well? Yes, we can. A lot of possibilities. But if you're happy with the profit that you have at the moment, take some profits off the table. Be happy. Look at all the other indicators. Let's take a look here. This is the RSI. Look how high we are. We are at a level of 89. Let's go back in history. How often have we been higher? I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see. We are now, and we'll draw this line, horizontal ray at the level where we are. All those points we have been above it. And then this is August 2020, one time. Here again, 2 times. Here again, 3 times. Here again, peaking above it 4 times. 5 times. Will this be the 6th time in the last 4 years that we will go higher with the RSI than we are at the moment? There's a huge probability that we won't go higher with the RSI, and that means that the market is cooling down and the RSI could fall back to retest or reset the market and then again build up again. That's how our RSI works. And it means not that we will dip with like 100K or something like that. No, it means that the market needs to break, cool down, and that could lead to some sell-offs, and it could lead to a dip of 10% or 20%. It is all possible. Also, if you look at this one here, look, it looks really bullish. Look at level 4. There will be a crossover of blue on the red again, and these green bars could turn a little bit reddish again. It's what we just see. That's the movement. We go up. Just check the charts. We come up, there, we come down to red, the red, we go up, we come down, 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 we go up, we come down. That's just how the markets move. It's nothing special. The thing is that you're now feeling euphoria, and euphoria will tell you, no, we're going to directly go to 1 million. I don't believe that we will go directly to 1 million, but who am I? Now, that were the 1-day charts and the 4-hour charts. Now let's jump into some more interesting charts to show you why I'm not freaking out and why I think that these strategies of selling and buying back should only be done for your trading portfolio, but not your hodling portfolio, because your hodling portfolio, we are not there yet. We are not at the top of the bull market, by far. That's going to happen in 2025. Now let's jump into some charts to show you exactly that. Over here. This is the first thing I want to share with you because I'm very proud. Didi Bam Bam token was listed yesterday on Uniswap. We were trending on ETH. That's like really big if you're trending on ETH Safeguard. We were #1. We are still trending, I think. The token launch was done amazing. The token ticker is Didi Bam, as you can see over there. You can find the contract in the official Twitter account, but also on other places in our Telegram group. But it's amazing to see that a lot of people are supporting this pure educational gateway to freedom that I'm building here for all the people out there. That's what I'm building, a gateway to freedom for all those people that want to start to understand how to use Bitcoin to buy back freedom. Now, that's why you should go to didibambam.me, guys. Now, then we have some real cool charts. This one is telling us when it's bull market and when it's bear market. And as you can see at the moment, it's telling us clearly, hey, we are in a bull market. That's what you see here. These red territories are bull market territory. But you can also see that these bull market territories, they take, here, for example, 2016, all the way till the end of 2017. That's a long year. That's 1.5 years even, started in 2015. Also here, it started in 2019 over there. It took all the way till 2021. That's 1.5 to 2 years of bull market. Now also again, it started over there, 2023. If it will take 2 years, it will take all the way into 2025 to end. And that's exactly what is happening, guys. We are now just surpassing this phase with that dip over there. That's what we just had, that phase of bullishness with a small dip over there, but because of the presidential elections and everything else, not too big of a dip. And we will go now into that second part, that's huge, massive 12 months of bullishness, going way above 100K. So yes, you can be freaking out now. Should I sell? Should I not sell? Yes, you should do what makes you happy. You have targets. You bought at 16K, you are at 100K, that is almost times 6 your portfolio in 12 months times. That's a massive return on investment. If you're happy with those kinds of profits, take those profits. Nobody ever got poorer of taking profits. And also nobody's happiness was ever affected by taking profits. You know who is not happy? Those people that don't take profit, that see the price crashing again, and then are, shit, I should have sold. Shit, I should have taken profit. You're still in profit, but you have less profit, but it's a complete different feeling inside. I took profit, I was too late. So during these bull markets, try to stay positive vibing by taking some profits. And if we dip, you will be happy again because you will be able to buy back cheaper. And if we go higher again, you will be able to take some profits again. Very important lesson. Sometimes it's time to take some profits. Then we have this chart, guys. This chart is also a very important one. Of course, this is showing us the Bitcoin power law probability model. I will take a sip of my coffee. It just tastes better in a Didi Bam Bam mug. Yes, you can hear I have cold. The cold, I caught that, of course, in the rainy and cold Netherlands. Oh my God. But yeah, Thailand will heal me again. Now, in this power law probability model, we see that the most bull market tops are in the yellow, pinkish area. Yellow, pinkish area. Yellow, pinkish area. Yellow and pinkish area. The yellow and pinkish area is over there. If I would like extend it, just so you see, that it is a pinkish and yellow area higher than the 100K level. It's all the way from 100K to almost 500K. That is the area where the profit should be taken, from 100K to 500K. Yes, we are reaching 100K here. Wow, very exciting. But this is 120, 130, 140 to 500K-ish area. That is where, if you look to the history of Bitcoin, the top of the bull market should be in this area. So yes, that would be higher than my prediction of 120 to 160, but that is what the power law tells us. So if we would reach the pink area, that would be a top of 194,000 to 289,000 to be exactly at the moment. At the moment, but also this is developing, could go a little bit higher. The yellow part would be minimum of 148,000 US dollar profit. The fair value is 70K at the moment. You don't need to look at that because look, whenever we broke the fair value, we went up massively. When we broke that fair value, we went up massively. When we broke that fair value, we went up massively. We are breaking that fair value, we will go up massively. Understand it. The bear market is increasing. Now the bottom should be between 35 and 42K. But when we hit that top, I believe the bear market bottom will be higher than 60K, guys. Yes, I said it, higher than 60K. Then we have the last chart for today. It's a long video because I didn't make a video for 2-3 days. Last chart, of course, the stock to flow model. That is the most bullish model, guys. This model is telling us that yes, we are just entering that bluish band, which is very positive, which is always an indication second part of the bull market has started, but we could take it all the way to that 500K average in the next 4 years. This means not now, not today, this means an average in the next 4 years, which could mean we go like this over here, you know, and come back a little bit, and then go a little bit here. Maybe we have the bear market maybe then we go above it, maybe we come down below it, above it higher. This is also an average of 500K. Not necessarily taking that 500K within now and 2025. It can also be in the next 4 years, the average. So that is how I look at the stock to flow model, guys. Now the most important part is, let's delete that part, If we could from here, 100K, touch this line over there, that would already be around 200 to 300K, guys. So that's an amazing market. It's like even in line, if you look how this is developing like this, something lower, you know, it's not bad. So I'm happy with 120 to 160, but on average in the next 4 years, we will go and reach that 500K, maybe even $1 million per Bitcoin. Amazing charts again. Now, that was the last chart, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the charts, guys. Short term, amazing volatility to trade. Yes, also our VIPs receiving trading signals every day. Soon also starting again with all the Bitcoin signals. But you can also read the signals of course, the Bitcoin family indicator setup. With that setup, we know exactly when we will buy, when we will sell. Short term, mid term, long term, Bitcoin, gold, any other asset. You can use our indicator package, but you need to become a ddbambam.me VIP, guys. Now, in the long term, it's amazing. I know a lot of people are freaking out. I know a lot of people are like, wow, 100K. We just surpassed 99,388. Maybe even during this video, during the recording, we could go a little bit higher, but we are not yet. This is where we are at the moment. So I hoped that we could touch 100K so it could jump into the pool from excitement. But at the moment, it's not 100K. It's only 99,300. Only 99. Now, this is the thing, guys. I know a lot of people see that there is a sell wall of 9,500-ish Bitcoins between this 96K level and the 100K level. So a lot of people are selling their Bitcoins, and I can agree with them. They have been maybe waiting to take profits for like 4 years because, you know, maybe they bought the top in 2021 around 60K or 70K. They have 30K profit. They want to take profit. They are afraid that Bitcoin is going to crash down from 100K back down to 1K. Now, first of all, I don't believe we're going to crash down from 100K to 1K. Second of all, in a complete normal retail market, yes, the possibility and probability of Bitcoin crashing around 100K is big, but that's because a lot of retail investors, you, me, the normal people, are always investing with emotions. The fact is that at the moment the market looks more like institutional investors. There's more BlackRocks and all the other spot ETFs and all the other investment companies, governments, etc. buying Bitcoin, and they are not freaking out that much as the normal person. The normal person thinks that the bull market is over. The Bitcoin person, me, knows that the bull market will take all the way into 2025. And I also know that it won't happen without these dips. These dips are always necessary. We can't go just bam up. We go up, we come down, we do a correction, we go up. And why do we do that correction? Just see it like this. You have a group of friends and you are convincing your group of friends to buy Bitcoin. But a lot of people are not buying Bitcoin because we are too expensive. And then you tell your friends, buy Bitcoin. And they were like, nah, it's 100K. But if it dips to 80K, then I will buy. So the market will mostly do this correction to 80K, and you will call your friend again, and your friend, oh yeah, now it's 80, now I will buy. That is how the market works. People wait for these dips to buy. And these dips are there to stop crying and to start buying. That's what we are educating you about, of course, also on the Didi platform. But that's very important to understand. There will be a dip, and these dips are there for you to buy. Will it be to 80K, a 20% dip? Will it be to 75K, a 25% dip? It's all possible. But there is also the possibility that if we break that sell wall of 9,500 Bitcoins, that we just keep pumping to 120K before we dip. And that is why it's important to always have a strategy set. Trading portfolio, hodling portfolio. How much of your trading portfolio are you scaling out? How much of your hodling portfolio are you scaling out at which levels? Selling a little bit at 100K, selling a little bit at 105K, selling a little bit at 110, 120, 130. Maybe you even started selling already at 85K. I do the same for my hodl portfolio. I dollar cost average out. I bought Bitcoin again back at 16K, 17K, 18K, 90K, 20K, and I'm selling Bitcoin also at 95K, 100K, 105K. I dollar cost average out of Bitcoin with my hodl stack. Trading stack, I am selling Bitcoin around these levels, buying back in the dips, selling again at the top, buying back at the dips. All of that stuff I will do with my trading portfolio. Maybe that's 30%, maybe even 40% at the moment, but 60% is hodling. And will I shift this percentage? Yes, I will probably. But when I do that, I will let you know in these videos, and especially when you're a VIP, guys. Now, that were the charts. Hope you love them. Give it a thumbs up. Let's jump into the last part of the video. Bam. The last part of the video, guys, is the inspirational part. I will try to keep it short, but I experienced something really strange, of course, in the Netherlands. That's always, when you go back home, you will always experience strange stuff. And that strange stuff educated me that there is a time in your life you need to burn all the ships from the past. Burn them. Don't focus on all those blood-sucking, energy-sucking, negative people that are trying to become your friends, family again. They are done. Burn those ships. Start to focus on yourself and the future. And yourself, I also include your family with. Start to focus on yourself with your wife and your kids. Focus on the future, focus on today. Enjoy today to the fullest. Make the best of each and every day, but also try to move forward. Please, don't keep hanging with one leg or one toe or one finger in that past, in that negative surrounding past that wants to pull you back into the Netherlands with all their negativity. They always reflect everything on themselves, and they try to suck you into their negative circle, their negative spiral downwards. You need to be a very strong person to be able to say no and burn those ships. But believe me, that is the ultimate thing to do if you want to set yourself free and start to focus on your happiness, your family's happiness for now, today, and but also for the future. You will not be reaching those levels of internal happiness when you keep stuck and stay stuck in that negative energy over there. Those bloodsuckers, those energy suckers. You know what I'm talking about. Those people that just want your energy and that just want to be negative and just want to be envious and just want to be like not happy for your luck and love and health. Block them. Block all of those people and move on. And if you become filthy rich, and you have the possibility, then please save your family also from that situation over there, and take the family members that do care about you and that are honest, etc. Take them with you into that new adventure and educate them how to live the new lifestyle, the freedom lifestyle, the Bitcoin standard. Educate as much as possible positive people about the Bitcoin standard, so we'll stay a positive community. Don't educate all those negative ones that will keep saying it's a scam, that will keep saying it's a bubble, that will keep saying that you were lucky that you bought Bitcoin, that will keep saying, yeah, but traveling is also not the best, that will keep saying, yeah, your lifestyle is bad for the environment because you're flying business class, that will keep saying all of that trash. Keep that trash at those trash people. Move on, move forward. Grab life by the balls and take the bull by the horns and just live your life to the fullest in the way it makes you happy. Don't try to focus any single minute of your day in trying to make others happy, those people, those negative ones. Try to make yourself happy, your family happy, and all the people around you that have a positive mindset. Focus on their happiness. Collectively, you can make the world a beautiful, happiness place. The negative ones will always pull you back. That's the lesson for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and yes, tomorrow I will be back on the beach walking and talking again, hopefully with a little bit more sun because it's cloudy. But yes, after the clouds, there will be sunshine, guys. Thanks for watching. I wish you an amazing day. Hope for 100k Bitcoin. If it will be 100k Bitcoin, tomorrow again an amazing video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow again. Bam.